Hello there, grade 4 students. Welcome to NVIS Virtual Learning. I'm Mr. Bernard, your math teacher for today. Before we start, see to it that you have the following materials. Number 1, your textbook. Number 2, your pen. And number 3, a sheet of paper for your calculations. In this video, you're going to learn the continuation of Lesson 13-2, Equivalence with Customary Units of Capacity. Open your book on page 688. The objective: recognize the relative size of customary units of capacity and convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit. Yesterday, I told you to answer this page. Pause this video to check your answer. Math practices and problem solving. Number 15. Math and science. Scientists measure how much water and debris flow past a river station at different times of the year. The water and debris are called discharge. The table shows the average discharge at the Camp Verde station on the Verde River in 2 months. How many more quarts of discharge per second are there in December than November? Look at the table. We have the Verde River discharge at Camp Verde, Arizona. So the month December and November. Average gallons per second. November 1,619 and December 2,285. So first, we're gonna subtract 2,285 minus 1,619. Do your calculation, it will be 666. Okay, again the question is how many more quarts? But the given is gallons, so it means we have to convert the gallons into quarts. In 1 gallon, we have 4 quarts. So we have to multiply 666 by 4. So do your calculation again. 666 times 4 is equal to, great, 2,664. Therefore, 2,664 more quarts per second. Did you get it? Very good. Let's continue. Number 16, vocabulary. Use capacity, length, and meters to complete the definitions. First line is the amount of liquid a container can hold. Again, liquid. If we are talking about liquid, the answer is definitely capacity. Next line are one unit that can be used to measure blank. Okay, are one unit. The remaining options, we have only length and meters. Unit, not length. So definitely the answer is meters. And the last line, it's gonna be length. So meters are one unit that can be used to measure length. Okay, next, number 17. Higher order thinking. A caterer combines 3 quarts of orange juice, 5 pints of milk, and 5 cups of pineapple juice to make smoothies. How many cups can be filled with smoothies? Explain. So we will just add them all. But before that, we have to convert the quarts and pints into cups. Okay, because the question is how many cups can be filled with smoothies? So 3 quarts. In 1 quart, there are 4 cups. So we have to multiply 3 and 4. So 3 times 4 equals, very good, 12 cups. Next, 5 pints. In 1 pint, there are 2 cups. So we have to multiply 5 and 2. The answer is 10 cups. Great. And look at the last one, 5 cups. Cups already, so no need to convert. Just add 12 cups plus 10 cups plus 5 cups. So what is your answer? Good job, 27 cups. Therefore, the answer is 27 cups. Common Core Assessment. Number 18. Annabelle had the following containers of paint left over: 1 over 2 gallon, 3 over 4 quarts, and 1 over 4 gallon. Part A. How many quarts of paint does Annabelle have left over? Explain. Our answer must be in quarts, so let's convert gallon into quart. In 1 gallon, there are 4 quarts. So 1/2 gallon, we multiply it by 4. 1/2 times 4 equals 2 quarts. 1/4 gallon, we multiply it also by 4. So 1/4 times 4 equals 1 quart. 3 over 4 quarts already in quarts, so no need to convert. Just add all the quarts. 2 plus 3/4 plus 1 equals 3 and 3/4. Therefore, 3 and 3 over 4 quarts. Part B. Annabelle put the leftover paints in pint containers. How many pint containers did Annabelle fill? Explain. In part B, since there's no pint in the given, it means that we have to convert our answer in part A, which is 3 and 3/4 quarts, into pints. In 1 quart, there are 2 pints. So 3 and 3/4 times 2. Then use distributive property of multiplication. It will be 3 times 2 plus quantity of 3 over 4 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then 3 over 4 times 2 equals 6 over 4. Then we have to rename 6 over 4 into 1 and 2/4. So 6 plus 1 plus 2 over 4. Just add. It will be 7 and 2 over 4. Therefore, Annabelle needs 8 containers. Let us answer some questions in homework and practice. Pause for a while to answer this page. Okay, let's check your answers. Make sure that you memorize the conversion table of customary units of capacity. Number 1, 9 pints equals how many fluid ounces? If your answer is 144, you are correct. Number 3, 2 gallons, how many pints? What is your answer? Great, 16. Number 5, 1 and 1 over 4 gallons, how many pints? What is your answer? Very good. It's 10. Number 14. Higher order thinking. Janice needs 3 gallons of lemonade for a party. She has 4 quarts, 6 pints, and 4 cups of lemonade already made. How many cups of lemonade does Janice need? How many more cups does she need? Pause this video to answer this page. Okay, let's check your answers. Again, don't forget to memorize the conversion table of customary units of capacity. How many cups of lemonade does Janice need? If your answer is 48, you are correct. How many more cups does she need? If your answer is 16 cups, great. So the answer should be 48 cups and 16 cups. Now, watch and learn the overview.
Nothing beats a tall glass of cold water. So today we are going to talk about customary units of capacity. Customary units of capacity include gallons, quarts, pints, cups, and fluid ounces. Sometimes, when you are working through a problem, you may find that you have two different units of capacity to work with. When that happens, you may have to convert units so you are working with only one unit of capacity. When you do this, you have to find equivalent measurements. Let's look at a problem together. Fred has a 10-gallon aquarium. How many 8-quart containers will it take to fill the aquarium? In this problem, we are given information in both gallons and quarts. We need to convert measurements, so we are only working with one unit of capacity. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. We can make a table to show how many quarts are in 10 gallons. So, a 10-gallon aquarium will hold 40 quarts. If we have a container that holds 8 quarts, we can divide 40 by 8 to find out how many containers it will take to fill the aquarium. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. It will take 5 8-quart containers to fill the aquarium. It's important to use the correct units as you solve measurement problems. All that talk about capacity has made me thirsty again.
Task to do. Check your Pearson account and do the assigned practice. Thank you so much, grade 4 students. Till next lesson. Bye.